1932 अब्दुल अजीज इब्न सऊद एक यूनिफाइड किंगडम का ख्वाब देख रहा था। उस वक्त उसके पास सिर्फ एक चीज़ थी, सैंड, एंडलेस सैंड, एक्सट्रीम गर्मी और एक बिलीफ कि ये सरजमीन कुछ बन सकती है। फास्ट फॉरवर्ड टू 2025, मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ बुलेवार्ड रियाद में, और ऑनेस्टली ये सब इम्पॉसिबल लगता है। From desert to dreams, the Boulevard World story. तो शुरुआत से शुरू करते हैं। मैंने अब तक थाईलैंड की बुलेट ट्रेन्स देखी हैं, टर्की की ओल्ड मॉस्क, अजरबैजान की वाइब्रेंट स्ट्रीट्स और यूएई की बस्लिंग सॉक्स, बट सऊदी अरेबिया ये हमेशा एक मिस्ट्री था। 1900s में ये रीजन एक कन्फेडरेशन ऑफ ट्राइब्स था। सर्वाइवल यहाँ लग्जरी नहीं, नेसेसिटी थी। बदुओं के कबीले अपने कैमल्स के साथ एक ओएसिस से दूसरे ओएसिस सफ़र करते थे। पानी गोल्ड से ज़्यादा वैल्यूएबल था। रियाद जो एक स्प्रॉलिंग मेट्रोपोलिस है, वो तब एक मड वॉल्ड सेटलमेंट था। पॉपुलेशन बेरली कुछ हज़ार लोग, और फिर 1938 में सब कुछ बदल गया। ऑयल, दमाम में पहली कमर्शियल ऑयल डिस्कवरी ने सब कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दिया, पर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ओवरनाइट नहीं हुई। डेकेड्स लगे, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाने पड़े, एजुकेशन सिस्टम सेटअप करना पड़ा, रोड्स, हॉस्पिटल्स, स्कूल्स, सब कुछ। 1960 और 70 में जब ऑयल बूम आया, सऊदी अरेबिया ने वेल्थ देखी, पर कल्चर, एंटरटेनमेंट एंड आर्ट्स वो सब रिस्ट्रिक्टेड था। सिनेमाज बैन थे, म्यूजिक कॉन्सर्ट्स रेयर थे, public entertainment almost non-existent. In 2016, Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman announces Vision 2030. पहली बार सुना तो skeptical था, क्योंकि promises तो बहुत होते हैं, पर ये vision different था। Goal was very simple: diversify the economy, reduce oil dependency, create a hub for tourism, entertainment और global culture. Sounds ambitious, पर implementation और भी ambitious था। Cinemas ban, lift हुआ, women को driving rights मिली, music festivals शुरू हुई, international artists perform करने लगे, और सबसे बड़ी बात, entertainment और tourism को priority मिला। Boulevard World is part of that vision. ये रियाद सीजन का centerpiece है, एक massive entertainment initiative जो हर साल होती है। तो मैंने डिसाइड किया हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए डीपली। Wake up and lace up my sneakers, I'm always dressed to kill. Each time I speak, I'm at peak to bring me some extra ears. Feel it in my soul, in my sleep, I breathe till the winds get sealed. Don't go while the rest sit still, beast mode on a run all year. Work till the funds out here, can't stop. So bad news guys, they're not letting me in with the camera, and I'll have to put it back in my car. I think the rules have changed, but earlier it was not the case. I was able to get my camera in, I was able to shoot. I'll try to shoot my videos in my phone. Let's see. Still on location, no waiting, they gotta chase me down. One in the head, ain't no safety, cause I can't play around. That's how I get, I was built for it. All ready for war, locked and loaded, they know that I've been all ready for war. So in the southern part, obviously, it's a bit cold. The clothings are a bit warmer. You can even do the shopping here, obviously, but of course this will be expensive. I bought these bags last time, they were really great. This is oud, Saudi oud. Atra. Okay. This is Atra. I really love the bukhur from Saudi Arabia. This is the Amazonia. Obviously there will be some ticket within it, but if you see these parrots, just look at the voice. This is Amazonia. You can buy the ticket in 99 riyal. Now we come to the Trojans. Just look at this, the Trojan helmet. And this right here is my most favorite part. Greece.
Santorini Island. Amazing. Just look at the Greek architecture. So beautiful, so mesmerizing. I really love it, man. In every single way. And just look at these Roman walls. The pillars, old Greek history. Amazing. Just look at these broken pillars. Just like they have in the Greece. You'll find Greece fries as well. If you're hungry, you can have it. It's only 23 real. Oh, they have created this one too. Maybe they'll have some show in the evening where you can sit there and you can watch. Egypt. Here we come. Just look at this. The guardians and the pyramids, of course. Last time when I came here, they were being constructed, but now they're complete. Amazing. You can get the complete feel of Egypt pyramids. Amazing, man. It is the best. Man, just look at this phoenix. It's crafted to the perfection. Just look at this. Too good. So I was just wanting to show you the queen that is coming right now. So we are now entering into China. This is how China looks like. These are the Chinese home, Chinese traditions, and Chinese markets. By the way, there are really good restaurants here as well. If you like Chinese, you should try this one. So this right here is a Chinese street. If you look at this, it is so amazing. I'm in love with this bridge. Just look at it. I'm loving this Chinese bridge actually. So we'll now be entering into Italy. So this is the European side of Boulevard World and it's so beautiful. This is the view we're getting there as well. Amazing. So this is Italy and the terraces are beautiful. They are always so flowery, decorated. Just check the feel of the place. You'll find streets like these and bridges like this. This is a vintage car as well. So just look at this. These vintage cars from Italy. Amazing. So just look at this place. So Italy vibe. And of course you'll find pizza as well. And that's me going inside. And just look at this feel of the street. Amazing. Beautiful. So beautiful. And if you come at the island side, this is how you'll find restaurants at the edge. So if I come out of this, then I'll move on to the next country, I believe. But I'm just amazed the way they have created this beauty.